y'all, as you noticed, I found some cool new technology where you can see my face in the corner and I can show you what you're doing for the week. So, as you can tell, I'm on my Google Classroom so I can do the things for the week. So, I'm currently on the stream. On the stream, all I do for me is I post cool things. Like I post when SST has their office hours, when there's like virtual fitness classes, cool stuff like that. So that's any extracurricular stuff. So, for this week, you want to go to classwork. So I'm going to go down week of 413. That's this week. First, you want to click and you want to do your Ed puzzle first. I can't show that to you because I'm literally making it right now. But you would do your Ed puzzle. You all are pretty good at that, which is magical. After you do your Ed puzzle, not before, but after you do your Ed puzzle, you want to go to assignment 2. So assignment 2, we're going back to IXL. So last week what you did was you did the diagnostic. So what it did was it was like, okay, these are some things you're good at, these some things you're not good at. So I now know trouble spots, so I know what we can work on in the future. So this week I only want you to do 15 problems from any suggested skill that you want. So I'm going to click this link to sign in. It's going to bring me to this page. I'm going to put in my username and password and click sign in. And then note I'm in recommendations. So there's a bunch of skills suggested for your teacher. So I'm going to click on that, and I'm literally going to choose whichever one I want to do. It does not matter. So say I'm like, you know what? I'm bored. I'm going to do solve 2-step linear equations. You click on that, and all you have to do is solve 15 of them. It's not going to, it'll tell you how many questions are answered up here. So you just want to do 15. Remember, if you're stuck, you can press learn with an example, and it'll teach you how to do it if you get stuck. So that's the second thing I want you to do this week is IXL. After that, we're going to do some fun stuff with Desmos. So geometry, you're doing stuff with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Math 3, you're doing stuff with Sonic the Hedgehog. But what you're going to do is you're going to click this link, and it is going to bring you to Desmos, and it's already going to have the class code for you. So you press join, and then you want to enter your name, whatever your name is, press go, and then it's going to have you do something once it starts. So for this one, for geometry, we're going to be doing some attacking and things, playing with the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. You want to do as many screens as possible. It does get harder the further you get along. For Math 3, you're doing the same thing, except you're doing it with functions, where you are inputting the x value and you're getting the y value back. So that's what you're doing for that one. The very last thing you do not complete this before you do the other things. The very last thing you do is this reflection. See, it even says do this last. So you want to complete this reflection in as much detail as possible. What this is about, it's not about the content that we're doing, but it's about the different platforms we use. It's about doing IXL, doing it on Google, whatever. So you all have done different forms before. One thing I do want to point out is the first question after asking your name is which one did you enjoy using? So the first thing is enjoy. The second thing is easy. So those are two different things. If you liked the platform, like be like, ooh, I really liked IXL, but it was hard, you put enjoy for IXL, but you don't put easy for that. So these are all the things that we've done so far. For the ones where it says explain why, please explain in as much detail because I'm going to use this to try to help me plan for after break. So I want it to be as user accessible as possible. The very last couple questions are about Zoom meetings because, like, I miss you all. And I want to talk with you all, so I need to know why we're not talking because I miss your faces. And I miss making corny jokes with you and making a fool of myself in front of y'all. So, yeah. I don't know how to end this yet because I just got this. So, yeah. But I hope you all have a super good week. Social distance. Have a great break next week. I love you all. And please reach out to me with any questions per usual. Bye!